right here, from right here. You gotta run up. Shoot from behind this hose right here. Use as many tries as you take. You guys are gonna come right here. Sit in this chair right here. I'm gonna ask you guys a really simple NBA question. Alright, then you guys are gonna touch this corner right here. Sprint down. Right here, touch the middle. Run down the middle. There's paper and a pencil right here. You guys have to write 3 NBA teams on this paper right here. I don't even know. Finally, you guys are gonna come right here. Stand right here. If you guys look, there's a little pathway right here. You guys gotta go through this pathway. Go through this pathway, there's a ball right here. You're gonna grab it. I'm gonna solve 2 Rubik's Cubes, and however much time it takes me to solve that, they have to beat the same time in the obstacle course. So they already mixed them up, so I think we're good to go.
Ready, set, go.
Oh my god. Dude. Bro, it's freezing out here. That's my bad.
I know. You're suffering.
Nice excuse, man.
You make some s'mores. You're my kind of thing. You guys are kind of good. It's already finished. I think he benefited himself earlier. Just say done. Ready, set, go.
Oh my god.
Let's go, baby.
Dude, can I restart?
No.
Can I go again?
I think you're going faster than last time. Wait, never mind. He's giving us some time. How'd you do it so fast?
Where's the paper at?
Done. 3, 2, 1, go! What was that?
Jump. Green light. What? Ho 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 ho. Green.
Oh!
He must read his junk.
Alright. Who is the commissioner of the NBA?
Adam Silver.
Alright, go! Three NBA teams. You don't have to write down the city.
Okay, that's bad.
What's TV?
Bruh.
Oh my god.
What? What?
Oh no!
Yeah. There we go.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Go again! Bro, go! Stop! Alright guys, you got 1, 15, 24. That's for sure not beating anyone. Go! That's all.
No. Yes.
Let's go. Alright. Who is Steph Curry sponsored by?
Under Armour.
Let's go. 3 NBA teams, go. Let's go.
Stop.
Alright guys, Aiden got 58 seconds, so he is the winner of this challenge for today.
I stepped on something.
He stepped on something.
Like the video, subscribe, you already know.